Here's what most people get wrong about becoming a millionaire. They think it's about earning more money, getting the next promotion, or starting a big business. But here's the truth, it's not their income, it's not luck, it's not even their opportunities, it's how they think. A mental framework of processing decisions about money, time, and resources that most people never learn. And in this video, I'm walking you through all of them step by step. So let's get started. The first principle of the mindset is combination of two skills, a growth mindset and emotional detachment. A growth mindset means you believe problems can be solved and skills can be learned. Instead of thinking, can I afford this? Ask, will this create value? And if the answer is yes, the next question becomes, how do I make it happen? This shift turns obstacles into possibilities. But that mindset only works when paired with emotional control. People who build wealth don't make decisions out of fear, excitement, or pressure. They slow down, look at the data, and use a simple filter. Will this matter in the coming future? Let's say in 5 years or 10 years. Most things won't, and that clarity stops emotional reaction from destroying good decisions. A growth mindset helps you move forward, and emotional detachment keeps you on track. The second principle is recognizing that time is the most valuable capital you will ever have. Money can come and go, but time never returns. People who build long-term success treat their hours the same way an investor treats their funds. They aim to get the highest return from every minute they spend. High performers regularly review their schedule and ask, is this the best use of my time? Tasks with low impact get reduced or handed off. Time is redirected into activities that create growth, learning, planning, meeting the right people. When you begin treating time like capital, you stop wasting it and start investing it. That single shift changes your entire trajectory. The third principle of the millionaire mindset is mastering the power of compounding, the force that turns small, steady action into big results over time. Compounding works like this. You earn money, and that money starts earning more money for you over time. Your growth builds on top of what you have already built, layer after layer. At first, nothing seems to change. The progress looks slow, almost invisible. But with enough time, the curve suddenly rises and years of consistency begin to accelerate your result. This is why disciplined people stay invested in the process. They don't jump around, panic, or chase every new trend. They protect the compounding cycle because they know it's their strongest wealth building engine. Compounding doesn't need huge amount, it needs patience. The fourth principle is simple. Idea means nothing without execution. You can read, plan, research, and prepare for years. But wealth is built only when you take action in the real world. Most people stay stuck because they confuse planning with progress. They wait for the perfect moment or they keep collecting information without ever using it. Execution starts with one shift, moving from knowing to doing, writing down your goals, breaking them into steps, and holding yourself accountable dramatically increases your chance of success far more than simply hoping things will work out. Execution means creating your own opportunities. You don't wait for luck, you take the first step, start the conversation, test the idea, even if the outcome isn't guaranteed. Action beats perfection every time. Because in the long run, it's not the best idea that wins. It's the person who acted on it. The fifth principle is learning the difference between what builds your wealth and what drains it, and making decisions that favor assets over liabilities. Assets are things that grow in value or put money back into your pocket. This could be skill you develop, investment, property, or a business that can operate without you. Liabilities are the opposites. They take money out of your pocket month after month. Many people get stuck because they buy things that look successful but quietly pull them backward. People who build real wealth follow simple rule. Own first, spend later. Instead of using all their income to upgrade their lifestyle, they use it to acquire assets. And once those assets start generating money, that extra income pays for their lifestyle. This creates a cycle where their wealth keeps growing without relying on their paycheck. The sixth principle is creating multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income, even a good one, keeps you financially vulnerable. If that one stream stops, your entire lifestyle is at risk. People who build lasting wealth avoid this trap by slowly adding new income sources over time. Not all at once, but step by step. They start with their main income, then they add something small on the side. Once that becomes stable, they add another stream that can eventually run with minimal effort. This transition from earning through your time to earning through system is what creates long-term freedom. The seventh principle is financial discipline, the habit that holds every other principle together. You can have a growth mindset, invest early, understand compounding, and build multiple income streams, but without discipline, it all falls apart. Financial discipline starts with understanding your own behavior. Most people don't struggle because they earn too little. They struggle because they spend without intention. Lifestyle upgrade feels good for a moment, but the excitement fades quickly. That's why disciplined people avoid emotional spending and focus on long-term goal instead. Financial discipline is not about limiting your life. It's about creating a system where your money consistently works for you. When your habits are disciplined, your wealth becomes predictable. Finally, when you start viewing challenges as opportunities to grow, when you treat your time like capital, when you stay patient with compounding, take action consistently, choose assets wisely, build new income sources, and stay disciplined with your money, you begin to shift from surviving to building. The world rewards people who take responsibility for their choices, who invest in themselves, and who stay consistent when others quit. And the best part is, you don't need a perfect plan or a perfect start. You just need one small change applied consistently. So choose one habit from this video and begin today. Track it, refine it, and let it grow. Because wealth isn't created in a one big moment. It's created in the quiet daily decision that compound over years. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial future. Strengthen it and everything you want to build become possible. If this video helped you, then make sure you hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive we are working on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.